shapeshifters.
Okay, shapeshifter. That
Just
something can change its own shape. Okay.
It was another moonlit afternoon.
Okay, afternoon.
So
the afternoon is moonlight. Okay, there's no sun. The moon makes the sky so bright.
Again.
So it was another moonlit afternoon.
On planet
8. I think I forgot to say.
How about you have 15 times? I just know how much is perfect to me. Ma, should be your you should be doing.
Ats. Okay, ats. Okay. Planet.
Ats. Perfect for seeing. Stargazing.
Okay, to watch the star. Okay, because it's a moonlit afternoon. Okay, and this planet is in the afternoon. There is no sun. It was night by moon, so it's perfect for stargazing, for watching the stars.
As
Rory
counted shooting stars.
Okay, what's the OO sound?
Ooh, shooting
stars.
This his shift friend.
Okay, zoo park. Okay, that's friend can change his own shape. So the
shifter friend. Super changed form again and again.
Okay, it's a female super. Okay,
so
change
female.
Her form again and again. Rory
had met
Super
when he and his family arrived here a year ago.
Okay, I think Rory and his family arrived here.
Supak was an alien, but she was the only one who understood how
Rory
felt. Rory kicked at a moon rock with his gravity boots and
sighed.
Yesterday,
Violet
asked me to join the
Astro
Ball team again, but I don't like playing sports. I wish she would stop asking. Why don't you tell her how you feel? Whoa, you feel what? Do you feel, Ma? You should be doing. Baby, you should be. And this.
It's a sound, okay.
Say that should be. It's her.
Were.
Wow.
Were.
Wow.
Were.
Wow.
Okay. It's some continuous flattering or vibratory sound. Okay, you can think it's continuous sound. Okay. Continuous
continuous sound made by something and
Rapid means quick.
rapid motion.
Okay, rapid motion.
Motion.
When something
Sometimes
changing very quickly,
very
you hear that sound. Whoa.
quickly, okay? Something you
Whir.
wow,
Whir.
wow,
Whir.
wow. The sound made by something that is
Spinning.
spinning very fast.
Okay.
Well, she was the wall a fan.
Whir.
Wow,
Whir.
wow.
Okay, spell.
WHIR watch. Now,
Okay, wow. Okay. So here means the zoopark changing its her shape very quickly. Whoa! Why don't you tell her how you feel?
whoa, zookeeper's
Zoopark's
body array changed from a blue butterfly to a purple flower.
Okay, Rory
Rory
shook. Can shook your head? Yeah. Rory.
shook his head.
That means no, right? When you say no, you shook your head.
I don't share my feelings. It's not who I am, says who, zookeeper.
Zoopark.
Zoopark asked.
Bang. Zoopark
array changed from a purple flower to a pink elephant.
Okay, she can change
She can change
the
any
shape. Okay.
shape before.
Rory.
Snap.
Okay.
His fingers. You are right. Yesterday, I was a
Rory.
who doesn't share feelings. But today, I can be a Rory who does.
Okay. Yesterday I was a Roy who
was-
cannot share feelings, but today I become a Roy who can. So why he said that? Because he saw Zoopark changing his shapes. So Rory said, I should also make a change, right?
Pop, Zook.
I don't know if that pronounced as pop. What's up?
War.
Whir. Whir. Whir.
The sound made by something that is spinning very fast. She was the wall of a fan.
Okay.
They were a fan.
Pop. 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 Pop.
Pop,
Pop.
pop,
Pop.
pop.
Okay, yeah, pop, okay. So here you basically use this sound to describe how fast the Zoopark change. Okay, changing the shape. Okay, pop.
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 Okay,
I shut loud sound.
okay.
We had loud popping when the lights went out. When the pop, I shut loud sound.
Okay.
Pop.
Pop.
Okay, spell.
P-O-P, pop.
Okay, pop.
Pop.
Supak.
Supak returned himself
Supak.
turned herself into a big green notebook and pencil. How now you are speaking by language. My language is she said with a
Charcoal.
Charcoal?
Knife.
Okay.
Okay. Charcoal sound. Charcoal. Okay, like the charcoal. You see? Charcoal. What's this?
pop.
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 Pop. I shut loud sound. We had a loud popping when
Okay.
the lights went out.
Okay. Charcoal.
Chuckle.
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 Okay. She said with a,
Chuckle.
so it's a noun. Okay.
Chuckle. Chuckle.
Okay, spell.
C-H-U-C-K-L-E. Chuckle. A laugh in a quiet way.
Okay, charcoal. Why it can? Oh, I see. It only has. Okay, charcoal.
She chuckled at the
Memory.
of what he had said.
Okay.
Chuckle.
Okay, spell.
C-H-U-C-K-L-E. Chuckle.
Okay, enough. Okay, enough. In a quiet way. Okay. So she said with a
Chuckle.
Rory.
Rory. Grinned. How now I just need to turn myself into a winter
Writer.
writer.
Okay.
Who it? The writer?
What's this?
Where? Writer.
Winter.
Winter.
Okay, winter is a season. Okay.
Return.
What's that?
Writer.
Good.
Winter writer. Winter writer. Who? Winter writer.
Writer is a person who write books, write things, right? Writer. So now I just needed to turn myself into a
Writer. Who and write down that what I want to say to
Violet.
To say which of the following statement best describes the main theme or lesson of the story. We are always free to change and grow. True friendship must share our common languages. No one has to take part in sports. They don't enjoy.
Okay.
They don't enjoy.
So which one is the answer?
They have to joy.
Okay.
This is
Good.
one game.
Good. Let's stop here.